Hi guys, Eric again. So now we're going to extend the conversation about unit conversions to include moles, right? Moles was something I struggled in high school, so I think you guys will use this. So you can think about moles. It's really similar to like a dozen. So a dozen just represents a number, which is 12, right? So except a mole represents 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of something. So this number is also known as Avogadro's number. Okay, so and we'll actually see that when it comes to chemistry, moles are particularly important when it comes to calculating mass. So like grams, kilograms, things like that. And so actually, if you take a look at your periodic table for carbon, you'll see at the top we have a 6, that's the atomic number, which represents how many protons it has. But at the bottom you'll see the mass number, which is 12.01. So this number represents how many grams there are per mole of carbon, okay? So if we, and we can use this in finding out, say like we had 30 grams of carbon. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll do some train tracks, right? So, and we want to find out how many moles that is, okay? So we'll use that number. So what we're trying to cancel out on the bottom, so we've got grams on top, so we gotta cancel them out down here. So 12.01 grams per 1 mole of carbon. Okay? So, what do? You multiply by the top, so 30 times 1 is 30, divided by 12.01, okay? Alright, and so that ends up being 2.5 moles, okay? And yeah, I mean, that's really it. There's not much to it. You can actually go reverse. We can actually try that real quick. So I'll erase this for now. Or better yet, let's go ahead and take this. So we have 2.5 moles, right? Let's figure out how many atoms that is, okay? So do train tracks again. We could have just extended it down here, but we'll just do it again. Okay, so per 1 mole, we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, okay? And what that equals is, so again, multiply by the top, divide by the bottom, and what that ends up equaling
1.5055 times 10 to the 24th, with your guest appearance by Ryan.
Yeah, so we end up with 1.5 times, or 1.5055 times 10 to the 24th atoms in our 30 grams of carbon. But yeah, this is the basic, basically this is how you utilize moles and convert between grams and moles and atoms. And it can get a little bit more complex, but I think this should serve as a good intro for you guys for right now. If you guys have any questions about anything that I covered, just let us know. Thanks.